up everyone, Chef Juice here, and today I'm showing you my Fidget Cube. Now, if you guys watch Sketchules, he's got one, so's Foxy the Pirate Fox, refers shortly Icy Rimmel, yeah, go on there and you see his things. But yeah, Sketchules, he made his Fidget Cube video, and I'm going to make mine. So yeah, this is a Fidget Cube, basically. So, I haven't got, or have I actually, just a sec. Nope. I haven't, well, so, see this thing here, this one, you flick, yeah? These ones here, click. This one here, you roll up and down, see? This one here, you can press it, or you can also glide it around. This one, you spin, see? And this one, at the very bottom, you just see. Can you not see? Okay, so that's been really bright. You just see, it's like a little dot thing. It's that. Let me take that screen back down. So, there we go. So yeah, don't worry, I was just messing with the light. There we go. That's cool. That'll be alright. But yeah, so the Fidget Cube, I use it in class. Pretty cool, to be honest. They're really cool. You just go onto eBay, get them for £2.50 or something. They're really cool, and awesome, I'll tell you that. If you like my Big Bad Pokemon card part number 2, I actually got another GX out of that GX box that I got. Now I've got 2 GXs, 2 GX cards, you know, from Pokemon. So, yeah. But, like, I can make the screen really dark. Can make it really light. I wonder what it looks like in the dark when it's on light screen. Like that. Don't work. But yeah. So, this is the, got there. So yeah, this Fidget Cube. Just go on eBay, put in Fidget Cube. Yeah. They're awesome. I really like them. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, if you're interested in getting a Fidget Cube, put in the comment down below. I'll have to go on eBay and see where to get them from. They're really cool. They're worth the price that they are. Yeah, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the like button down below with your pinky. Smash that like button. That's what people call it. Smash that like button with the pinky. It'll turn blue. Or hit that subscribe button, then the notification bell with your pinky. So, yeah. See you guys. Peace out!